This is a quick tutorial to show you how I made this mask. You will need polypropylene non-woven material. I'm using these ones which I got from Aeon for 12 Hong Kong dollars. Cloth that won't irritate your face. Here I'm using an old pillowcase. A ruler. A pen. Scissors. Tape. A hair straightener or an iron, whichever is more convenient for you. Metal wires for wrapping, which you could get from a stationery store. These are also from Aeon and cost 12 Hong Kong dollars for a pack of 15. Therapeutic tape, also known as kinesiology tape, that you can get from Aeon or your local pharmacist. Any kind of stretchy fabric or elastic bands for the ear loops of the mask. This is actually an old pair of tights. For easiness sake, I'm going to call the polypropylene non-woven material blue, and the cloth from the old pillowcase white. With your ruler, pen, and scissors, measure and cut out blue as shown. You can adjust the measurements to suit the wearer's face. Measure and cut out the same size for white. Put one on top of the other and tape the bottom together to hold them in place. Now for some folding. Fold the two fabrics together in a fan-like pattern. Try to make creases along the way. Carefully remove the tape from the bottom. Place a cloth on top of blue. Using the lowest heat setting, press your mask together to make deep creases. Remember to never apply heat directly onto blue, as the fabric will melt onto the metal. Your mask should look something like this. Flip it over and place the metal wire at the top. Apply the therapeutic tape. You can use your ruler to help you. Cut out your stretchy fabric or take your elastic bands. Fix them onto either sides of the mask with therapeutic tape. Add a strip of therapeutic tape to the bottom of the mask, and you're done.